glue has failed up here and the leather has begun to peel off. We got our JB Super Weld. We're gonna apply some under here on the leather, and then we're gonna get some clamps to hold everything in place, and we'll let it dry up. This JB weld is super sticky, so I'm just applying a good amount here. Alright guys, I let it sit for a couple hours and I took those clips off. As you can see, it's sitting on there pretty good. Doors back together, the latch works, windows all cleaned up, job done.